Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to fix the Valorant Unrealcefsubprocess.exe which is causing a high CPU usage. So please follow the steps with me and let's get started. Okay, so the first solution to fix this issue is to add exceptions in your antivirus. So open up your antivirus. In my case is Avast. If you have AVG or any other antivirus, then you need to follow the same process. Over here, we need to add exceptions for Riot Games. So to do that, just click on Add Exceptions. So what we need to do, just click on Menu, and then after that, select Settings. Then click on Exceptions. Over here, we need to add exceptions for Riot Games. So to do that, just click on Add Exceptions. Then click on Browse and expand local C drive. Look for Riot Games folder and expand it. And the next one is Valorant. After that, Live. Then Engine folder. Next, Binaries. And the last one is Win64. And now scroll down to the bottom of the page. Look for Unrealcefsubprocess.exe. Make sure to check this one. And after that, click on OK. Then select Add Exceptions. Once you're done, then close your antivirus and restart your computer. Now you can log into your account and hopefully this should fix the issue. Also, please don't forget to let me know in the comments below if these solutions worked out for you. And that's all. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider supporting me and subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.